Hey pilots, drone nerds and UAV enthusiasts, welcome back to the Coptrz channel, where we unlock the skies and bring you the latest in drone tech and training. Today we're diving into something that's shaking up the drone world in the best way possible, the SORA framework. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll see why SORA is a total game changer for the drone industry. In case you missed our last video, SORA stands for Specific Operations Risk Assessment. It's a structured process used to assess and manage risk for more complex drone operations. Before SORA, if you wanted to fly a drone beyond visual line of sight, near people, or in tricky environments, the process was slow, clunky, and not very flexible. Lots of great ideas never took off, literally because of regularity red tape. SORA changes that. It gives drone operators a clear, standardised pathway to assess risks and prove they can fly safely. SORA is unlocking use cases for drones that weren't practical before. Drone deliveries, safely flying over towns, cities and suburbs, infrastructure inspections, bridges, power lines, offshore wind farms without endangering workers. And emergency response, police, fire and search and rescue can deploy drones faster with confidence. We've got creative industries, film and TV productions can plan complex aerial shots with official approval. It's smarter, faster and more adaptable. One of the biggest benefits? SORA levels the playing field. It's not just for governments or giant companies anymore. If you're a small drone business, a freelance operator or a public safety team, you now have a clear route to fly advanced missions legally. It encourages innovation, collaboration and growth. At Coptrz, we're all about empowering drone pilots to go further, fly smarter and do things by the book without the headache. And that's why we offer expert-led training and support to help you navigate the SORA process, whether you're going for your first big mission or expanding a commercial operation. SORA is more than just a framework. It's a launch pad for the future of drones. It's making flights safer, approvals faster, and opportunities bigger than ever. If this video has helped you understand why SORA matters, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and check out our SORA training resources below. Got a mission in mind? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear how SORA could help you fly further. And one last thing, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a launch.